strange, but I'm stuck in this pattern where every little thing matters too much. I can see the stains of all the careless words. I say them 'cause they hurt. Staring at a map where I can't read the legend. I question every myth I have. So I'm looking back to how we got things started when I gave you my heart, yeah. Oh, I still know the way. Running late, I seem a little far away, but I'll get there someday. Wait on me, wait on me, wait on me.
Made a list of promises to you. Just had to write them down and say them out loud. I feel so lucky that God gave me you. Lift up everyone around. Can't believe what I found. But knowing, will you take my hand? Just smile and say, catch me if you can. I wanna take the longest trail with you, the one that starts right when we say I do. From Mary Hall to Brianna Drive to Grand Marais and up the mountainside, we'll keep chasing this, our love so true. Forever only running after you. Now I can't wait for the children we will raise. I hope that they have your heart and your smile. Where they used to beat their homes and where I was, now it's only by your side. I wanna take the longest trail with you, the one that starts right when we say I do. From Mary Hall to Brianna Drive to Grand Marais and up the mountainside, we'll keep chasing this, our love so true. Through thick and thin, and even when the world has other plans, no matter what we face and where we